Hello, students. Good day. I am once again Miss G, your cookery teacher. After a month of discussing things or lesson under how to prepare egg dish, I think we are now ready to move on to the second part of the lesson under first quarter, which is to prepare starch and cereal dish. Now, our topic is the different types of pasta. Pasta is an example of starch and cereal dish. Now, we are going to have this. This will fall on under learning outcome number 4, which is to store, starch, and cereals. Remember, students, that proper storage of food is very crucial in keeping food safe because the manner and temperature of storage will affect the food's susceptibility to bacterial growth, other contaminants, and infestation. You have to remember this word. The word is Fifo, which means first in, first out. It is a long time method in storekeeping where the first food you stored must be the first food to be out from the storage. So it is very easy to remember FIFO, first in, first out. It is high time to make it a habit or put into practice. Write expiry date, date received, and date of storage of the food package and regularly check the expiration date. It is for safety of everyone. Now, for you to be given additional knowledge on how to store different foods, let's go on to our lesson, which is the types of pasta. The first one is dry pasta. Next is cooked pasta, fresh pasta, and lastly, frozen pasta. Let's discuss them one by one. Okay, dry pasta. It says that store for no more than 2 years to obtain the best quality. When we say dry pasta, it is the most common type of pasta that we can see or purchase in the market. An example of this are the spaghetti, macaroni, lasagna, which is commonly sold in the market. We have to remember that in storing dry pasta, it it has to be removed from the store packaging if noodles come in a box or other non-airtight container. When they are in plastic, we have to seal bag or screw the lid on tightly. And no need to refrigerate this type of pasta. Next. Next is cooked pasta. Place pasta in a tight sealed container, store in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days. Then cooked pasta can be stored unsauced in an airtight container and refrigerated for 4 to 5 days. Students, you have to remember the importance of storing food, the proper storage of food, and the maximum storage time. Then, the things that you have to remember in cooked pasta is that you have to pour in the colander, then dry it after cooking. Followed by, you have to sprinkle at least 1 teaspoon of oil to separate or to prevent pasta from sticking together. Then, if stored together with sauce, it should be eaten within 1 to 2 days. And sauce should be refrigerated separate from the pasta and can be stored for 6 to 7 days. Those are information related to cooked pasta. Next is fresh pasta. This can be stored in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. An example of fresh pasta is homemade pasta that can be stored for 1 to 2 days in the refrigerator. The things that you have to remember in fresh pasta is that it is used on the same day as they are manufactured. Lastly, frozen pasta. It does not have to be thawed before it is cooked. Right after getting it from the freezer, you can directly cook it with water. But you have to remember to boil it a little longer compared to unfrozen pasta. You have to remember, students, that proper storing will help us to produce quality product. When we say refrigerator temperature, it is 30 to 34 Fahrenheit, and freezer temperature is 0 or negative 18 degrees Celsius. Proper storing is needed to ensure quality of the product. That ends our discussion. Thank you for watching.